How to disable calls notification on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off call notification on Discord. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are under the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as notifications. And now here, under the notifications, you can see the option labeled as get notifications outside of Discord. So simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the app settings. And from here, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on notifications. And from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on incoming calls. And now here, simply toggle off show notification option. And that's it. That's how you can disable call notifications on Discord Mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.